Hey, what's up YouTube? TMZ1313 here. Hey, first of all, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Today I want to talk about integrating your solar into your house. Now there's a wrong way, there's a cheap way, and there's the right way. So what I want to do is talk about that first. First thing I want to do is the cheap way. There's a cheap way of doing it, and that is just running extension cords from your inverter to whatever appliance you want to run. The problem with that is you got extension cords going through your house. You really don't want an extension cord as a permanent thing for your appliances. You want to have it ran and have a breaker and stuff like that. So that's something you can do. It's cheap, extension cords. You probably have them laying around the house. So you can do that. Another way is called backfeeding your circuit. And what that is having what we call a suicide cord. I actually got video of that. And you take that suicide cord, you plug it into the wall, and then you plug it into the inverter, and then you turn off the breaker in your fuse panel, and that actually backfeeds that circuit, which you could run stuff off of it. But I highly discourage that. Please look into it if you do that way. Now the right way is a transfer switch. That's what I got here. So a transfer switch is they're basically made for generators, but I actually made this for my solar. Now this particular transfer switch is made for 220. I converted it to 120. It's very easy, and it's running from my inverter. Alright, goes through my inverter, gets hooked up, and then it's going through here. Now there's 6 circuits that are ran off of this. I'll show you what it all does right now. I'm actually running my furnace off of it right now. This particular one actually has a watt meter, so you can see what's going on. So I got my furnace on, and I'm running about 500 watts, 413 it says here. And so this is the right way of doing it. Now I do recommend having a certified licensed electrician to install it, because it is against code to do it without a certified electrician, but it is easily done without one. It's actually really easy. You just gotta read the instructions, and it's stupid easy. But like I said, I'd rather have you guys get a certified electrician to do this, because it is dealing with you are dealing with taking off your cover, and you got exposed bus bars, and that is very deadly right there. So you don't really want to mess with this stuff unless you know what you're doing. So what this transfer switch is exactly what it implies. It transfers power. Now I got switches here that go straight up to solar, or down is grid. So, which is nice to have when you're running solar, because like a cloudy day like today, like right now I'm under load and it's cloudy out, I'm only getting 7 amps coming in. And it's noon right now. I mean, it's really cloudy outside, so I'm not really getting much. But that's good, because if it's a cloudy day, I could switch it to grid power, charge my batteries off, and don't have to worry about killing my batteries. Now, if it's a really good sunny day, I could just throw all those switches up to solar, and I could run off solar the whole day and night if I need to. But you got wire that comes into here, that goes into here. Now, there's black wires in here that come out, and that goes to what the circuit was ran off of. So there's a black wire that's going into this breaker. Now, so it goes actually through the transfer switch, and then comes back out through this red one, and then it hooks up to it. So it's like a bypass basically. Now what I have running off of this transfer switch is all A, B, C, D, E, F, and D. And I got my furnace, which was just running off of it. I got a fridge on one circuit. I got a whole bunch of plugs and lights, more plugs and lights, more plugs and lights, more plug and lights. So basically I'm running everything in my house besides my air conditioner, my basement plugs, washer and dryer, and the garage and laundry room lights. And dishwasher. That's the only thing that's not ran off solar in my house. Every plug, light is basically ran off solar. And it goes all through this transfer switch. So this is really the way that you want to do things. Mainly because it's safe. It's fail proof. You know, I got breakers on there, and I got breakers on in my fuse panel. So there's double breakers. You don't really want to mess with suicide cords. So if you got any questions, just please ask me about this. It's a really good product. I got this on Amazon. They make different sizes. You get bigger ones, smaller ones. You get automatic ones, stuff like that. So yeah, if you got any questions, just ask me. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and like this video. Alright guys, I'll see you later.